Have you ever wondered who the heavyweights are in the world of financial charting and analysis, beyond the omnipresent TradingView? While TradingView has certainly carved out a dominant niche with its user-friendly interface and vibrant social community, it's far from the only player in the game. In fact, a diverse ecosystem of platforms is vying for the attention of traders and investors, each with its own strengths, specialties, and loyal following. For years, TradingView has been the go-to for countless individuals, offering an unparalleled array of charting tools, indicators, and a powerful social network where traders share ideas and strategies. Its cloud-based accessibility and extensive market coverage, from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies, have made it a universal favorite. But for every advantage, there's often a specific need that another platform might address more effectively. So, let's dive into some of TradingView's notable competitors and see what sets them apart. One major contender, especially for those focused on the U.S. equities and options markets, is TC2000. Developed by the Wardens brothers, who have decades of experience in trading software, TC2000 is renowned for its blazing fast stock screeners and robust technical analysis tools. While it might not boast the social features or global market breadth of TradingView, its efficiency in scanning thousands of stocks and building watch lists is a significant draw for many. It also offers a smooth charting experience and integrated paper trading, making it a strong alternative for dedicated U.S. market participants. Then there's Thinkorswim, a powerful platform offered by Charles Schwab. Thinkorswim is a comprehensive trading powerhouse, particularly favored by options and futures traders due to its deep analytical tools, complex order types, and sophisticated simulation capabilities. While TradingView excels in chart customization and web-based accessibility, Thinkorswim provides a more immersive trading environment with direct brokerage integration, offering a seamless experience for those who prioritize execution and advanced strategy testing within a single platform. Its ThinkScript language also allows for highly customized indicators and strategies, appealing to advanced users. For traders heavily invested in automated strategies and direct broker integration, MetaTrader 4, MT4, and MetaTrader 5, MT5, remain incredibly popular. These platforms, while perhaps not as visually slick as TradingView, are industry standards, especially in the Forex and CFD markets. Their strength lies in their expert advisor, EA, functionality, allowing users to automate their trading strategies with ease. Many brokers integrate directly with MetaTrader, making it a prime choice for algorithmic traders and those seeking robust backtesting capabilities without needing to switch platforms for execution. Moving to specialized charting and analysis, TrendSpider offers a compelling alternative with its focus on AI-driven automation. Unlike TradingView's emphasis on community and manual customization, TrendSpider automates technical analysis, offering features like automatic trendline detection, pattern recognition, and dynamic alerts. This can be a huge time saver for traders who rely heavily on technical analysis but want to reduce manual charting efforts. While its community features are smaller, its strength lies in its ability to streamline complex analytical tasks. Another well-established name in the charting space is StockCharts.com. This platform has been around for a long time and is known for its highly customizable charts and extensive library of technical indicators. While its interface might appear old school to some, it's a reliable choice for longer-term traders who appreciate its deep historical data and educational resources like ChartSchool. TradingView certainly offers a more modern and dynamic charting experience, but StockCharts holds its own for those who prefer a more traditional and analytical approach, particularly for US-centric analysis. Finally, while often seen more as a social trading platform, eToro does offer charting capabilities and a unique social investment experience. While not a direct competitor in terms of advanced technical analysis like TradingView, it provides a different value proposition, the ability to copy the trades of successful investors. For beginners or those interested in a more communal and less hands-on approach to trading, eToro presents an alternative ecosystem, though its charting tools are more basic compared to dedicated analysis platforms. Similarly, Finviz is excellent for initial stock research and screening, though it doesn't offer the comprehensive charting or social features of TradingView. The world of financial charting and analysis is rich with options, and while TradingView undoubtedly leads the pack in many areas, these competitors offer compelling features that cater to different trading styles, market focuses, and levels of expertise. The best platform ultimately depends on individual needs and priorities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.